In this video, I'll show you how to create a full backup of Windows 11 to an external hard drive using the built-in System Image Backup feature. Connect your external hard drive to your computer. Click on the Start menu. Type Control Panel and open it. Set the view to Category if needed. Click on System and Security. Select File History. On the right side, click Turn On. Windows will now use your external drive to back up your personal files. To change backup settings, click Advanced Settings. Here you can adjust how often files are saved and how long versions are kept. File history will automatically back up important folders like documents, desktop, pictures, videos, and music. This method works on Windows 11, including portable workstation environments where System Image Backup is not available. That's it. Your files are now being backed up to an external drive. You've successfully set up a file history backup to an external drive in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching.